Women will say stuff like, I want an adventurous man. Oh, do you? Do you want to camp in the car in an abandoned parking lot? Do you want to camp in your car when there's a blizzard warning just so you can get the first powder lines in the morning? Do you want to eat this? I don't even know what this is. Do you want to drink wine all night long, contemplating your life's decisions? Actually, I know women want to do that. And to top off my camping in the car in a blizzard, I'm going to sleep in my Impreza. Just like this. So sleep well and follow along on the adventure.